In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook crashing or not opening. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is first close and reopen Facebook. Open the app switcher and swipe up on Facebook to close it. Wait a few seconds and launch the app again. Check whether Facebook is working normally or if it still crashes. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause Facebook to crash unexpectedly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue improves. You can also enable airplane mode for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next, clear Facebook cache. Launch settings, go to General, go to iPhone storage, find Facebook and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it, click on Reinstall app. If you're using Android, press and hold on the Facebook app, select App Info, click on Storage, go to Clear Cache and confirm it. Likewise, check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Facebook. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you're having the issue, restart your device, then launch settings, go to General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. Likewise, check space storage on your device. If you don't have enough storage, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Lastly, you can completely delete Facebook from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these tips, your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.